Meaning of Donald Dewar.
Donald Dewar.
Donald Dewar.
Donald Dewar.
Donald Dewar. Donald Dewar was a Scottish socialist politician who served as the inaugural First Minister of Scotland from 1999 until his death in 2000. He was a key figure in Scottish devolution, leading the campaign for the establishment of a Scottish Parliament. As a committed social democrat, he championed progressive policies and worked to improve public services, particularly in health and education. His legacy continues to shape Scottish politics today, with the Scottish Parliament and the Scottish Government playing a vital role in the country's governance and decision-making processes.